Oh, sweet. It's my Mantic clutch. Is it heavy? Yeah, it's pretty heavy. I need 2 hands. Let the attack begin.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida. Today, I'm gonna be here changing out a clutch for Mantic clutch here with Ronnie. So we gotta take all of that off. Take the exhaust off, drive shaft off, and get to the take all that off of here, get to the clutch. Of course, I've done mine a couple of times already, so all the stuff I messed up on mine should be good now. What do you think?
I think we're good.
And don't worry about how low the car is. We're only 5'5", and I'm 5'5.5", so we're good. But as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, hit that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, for future uploads. And yeah, we're gonna get to it. Get this clutch taken out. Probably won't be able to record the whole thing, but I'll record certain key parts. I also have a previous clutch install video. I'm gonna try and do a card like people say, but you know, we'd never do the card, but I'm gonna try the card anyway. We'll see if it works or not, but I'll link the card. I'm probably 99.8% lying, but I'll link the card. All right, so we got the exhaust off and the drive shaft out. Now we're gonna need to, we're gonna go down here and we're gonna drop the shifter from up top. And then once we do that, we'll be able to separate the transmission. So yep, got that out, exhaust out. We only broke 1 bolt. This car was bought in Florida, but it has a lot of rust. Common problem with Challengers since they're made in Canada and they put them on a railroad down, but all right, got the tranny out. That's the factory clutch right there. Look at that sucker. Sure does look ugly, don't it? Yeah, so that's the factory transmission. Got it all down here. So got it right here on the ground. He's gonna put a Barton shifter on. Gotta take this hydraulic release bearing out of here, replace it with a new one from Mantic, along with the spacer, cause he's going with a dual disc clutch, not a triple disc. But yeah, got the transmission out. Now, damn it, to get this off and out of here, and we'll show you what the new one looks like. So this was done. So this goes to the flywheel side, so it sat on there like this. And then, if you look, that's the clutch. Now we look on the flywheel side, you can see the burn marks on the flywheel side too. Did you see it? I need the light. Yeah, they go all the burn marks right here. What are you doing, man? Just kidding. Apparently not. So now we're gonna take this flywheel off, and then we'll show you the new setup. All right, it's a different day. Got everything torqued down. Torqued all the transmission bolt, put this shim piece back in. So right now, what I'm about to do is I'm about to, that's the whole old hydraulic release, this is the new one. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna already get as much of the air bubbles out of this as possible already. So I'm gonna put some brake fluid in here, and I'll show you guys what to do. So instead of trying to fill all this up, it'll fill all of this up and only probably just have a little bit of air bubble, because once this goes in, there's nowhere for the air bubble to go. So I'm gonna prime this now, and I'll show you guys how I do that. Alright, so I'll put the brake fluid in here. Take this so I can get some more further down. So what I'm gonna do now is, what this does, it's gonna pump. I'm gonna pump this up to get all the air bubbles out, and you'll see the bubbles coming up and then it'll stop. You see the bubbles? So you see the bubbles, and it's as it's priming it, it's sucking in the so it should have all the bubbles out of it now. The clutch is already all done. As I said, it's just a quick overview of it. I already did an install video, which I probably didn't link in a card earlier. So Ronnie, from driving it so far compared to the stock one, what do you think?
Oh, 10 times better.
Did you stall it?
I absolutely did.
Yeah. This one engage a lot quicker, at a lower. You don't have to release the clutch so far up.
The stock one seems mushy.
Yeah, this one's a little more responsive.
Oh yeah.
Yep. So that's it right there. He got a 500-mile braking period, and then after he break it in, he could do some donuts and burnouts and stuff like that if you want. Right? That's it, after 500 miles.
Yeah.
All right. So, as usual, guys, if this is your first time or your second or your 10th time checking out the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon, ding, for future upload. Like, share, and definitely comment. Another great video. Don't stall. Well, you won't stall if you're revving it that high.
Don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. We well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like